So we will start the recovery process from the existing database backup. Okay. Before going to recovery, what are the important, and before going to recovery or restore, what are the important parameters need to be taken care before recovery? So before recovery, what are the points you need to mention? First thing, first thing, you need to have valid backup, valid backup set, valid backup set. Second thing, so you need to have same database version as that of source database backup, source database backup, source database backup. Third one, you need to have PFILE for DB name and unique of the database purpose, unique name of the database for DB name and unique name. Next, third one, fourth one. So you need to create same structure, same structure of the data files locations. You need to create same structure of the data files locations. For example, if you have data files in U01 data, then we need to create similar folder in the target also, same folder data. Then only the data files will created without errors. Or else you need to use or else means if the target location is different, then what you need to do, you need to give the mapping, you need to give the mapping, db file create destination parameter or log file create destination parameter. So you need to give the mapping. So currently I'm not going for the mapping part, just a simple recovery I am doing. That's why I don't want to mix up the data. So we will see the in-depth knowledge in the next two classes. But as of now, just a simple recovery, simple backup we have already taken. Now how to do simple restore or simple recovery with the help of simple commands. Now recovery database. So once before going to data start the backup recovery, these are the main points you need to mention. Now first I will for our practice purpose, I will drop the existing database. Okay, I will drop the existing database. To drop the existing database, I will connect to the database first. SQL plus sysdba shutdown immediate. I need to shut down the database immediate. Once the database shut down properly, once the database is shut down properly, now I will start the database in mount mode. Startup mount exclusive restrict. Startup mount exclusive restrict. Now drop database. Why I am doing this? Because I don't want to create new server immediately. That's why I am going to drop the existing database, because I have already taken the full database backup. before going to do this, you need to take the full backup along with archive logs. That means a simple command is backup database plus archive log. Once the backup save side, then you can drop it. So how you are going to verify whether it is dropped or not? First you need to check the backup is there or not. Okay, backup is fine. Now you can go to the location U01 and uh, so what you are finding here, there is no data, right? Zero. Database backup is been database has been deleted, successfully deleted, right? Now once the database deleted successfully, and now that the server is empty. Okay, var tab entry is okay, no problem. It has to be there. There is no need of deleting this again, because anyhow we are restoring the database with the same name. Next thing what you need to check. Okay, so next thing what we need to check, just to go to the DBS location. DBS location, why we are going to DBS location? To check the parameter files. Okay, now verify parameter files. The parameter file is already gone because of the database deletion. It is also deleted the SP file which is available, but password file is not deleted. That there is no problem for that. But you have already taken the parameter file also as a backup. So we are good now. So how to do the next steps for the restore? First, you need to create a P file. Already we have taken the P file, right? The P file has to be moved to this location, DBS location. You need to move the P file to the DBS location. How you can copy the DBS location? First, you need to go to this location, the backup location already there. CD, or else you can give PWD for full path. Then CD, enter this backup path. Again, ls. You have already db_orcl cp -d target folder name or directory name. Enter. Now go to the directory db_orcl. So what is our requirement? When you will search for the ps-ef pipe grip pmon, you will see only var underscore pmon underscore database name. Simply, what is the format of the parameter file? I told you in previous class. The parameter file format is, for example, this is the backup. Now the original format is init orcl dot vara. Just I copied to the original name. This I keep the same as it is, but I created a original P file. That means which is similar to the standard format init or unit database name dot vara. Now what are the contents inside? Just you need to check. Before doing this, you need to verify this folder is available or not. U01 app oracle orcl. Whether this folder is available or not. If the folder is there, just lsl. It will show 0. Total 0 means the folder is there but empty. Again, next thing, you can check this ls. This folder is already there, no problem. So main control file folder is there, and also we can check this folder name. What are the locations we need to confirm before starting the recovery? So this folder is also there. So no need to worry about the folders which are available in the database. Now what you can do, just export the environment variables dot space var env and orcl. Next, Start up the database in no mount mode. Start the database in no mount mode. Start the database in no mount mode. So this is the important as a recovery step. First important step is parameter file setting. After the second important step is start up the database in no mount mode. Start up no mount. So in no mount you already know that only parameters will be accessed here. Now, second next step is just to connect to the RMAN target connect. RMAN target connect. Now it is showing like not mounted. Now what you can do, restore control file from the path you need to give. Backup path is there na, the complete backup path with the control file naming. Mm, in database, this is the backup piece and control file is like so it can be verified from the backup piece set. Okay, whatever the small size is there, that is compulsory a control file. What is showing the backup types archive is archive cannot be processed. So the backup is archive log, there is no control file available. So what you can do, just exit from here and go to the backup location. So before going to this, you need to confirm the control file also. Then only it will be very easy. I think control file is available in auto backup. cd dot dot cd dot dot auto backup auto date latest date and this is the 11 MB. That means it compulsory has control file. Now what you can do, this is the location. Okay, now connect to the RMAN target connect. RMAN target connect, same command, restore control file from, just mention the complete path, the file, this is the file, single quotation ends, semicolon, enter. If control file is there, then it is finished, restore is finished. After restore finished, just give command alter database mount, alter database mount, alter database mount. Before starting the recovery, you need to put the database in mount state. Now simple command recover database or simple restore database. First restore database, restore database. It will automatically fetch the backup details because of the control file already having the data about the backup history. Okay, or to avoid the confusion, first what you can do, catalog backup piece, catalog backup piece, the location of the database backup. So I will put the total backup available location and then backup set. This is the path where the backup is there, and also you can give the date also, completely date. Okay, catalog start with, this is the command, catalog start with. So we are telling to the database my backup is available here. So what you are going to tell the backup, the recovery manager, it is understanding, okay, the backups available in this location, and also it is detected, hey, this is not a backup piece because this is a Oracle file, dot vara file. That means this there is no backup piece. Recovery.txt, this is also not the part of backup. It is identified automatically which are not as a part of the backup, but automatically recovers what are the available pieces in this as a backup. So general, we consider these as a general but not as the backup extra. So it is showing the same thing. Okay, these are the list of were not cataloged. So these are not the backup pieces. It is identifying. Now restore database. Restore database. Simple command is restore database. In real time it will take a number of hours also, depends upon the backup size, but it is our test database only. It will take maximum 2 to 3 minutes for the restore. So finished, restore has been finished. Okay, now what after restore you need to give command recover, recover database. Okay, so what is showing, okay, one log is not recovered properly. So media requesting unknown archive log 1. Okay, this is the common error, no problem. For any database it will automatically leaves one thread. So this is a common error, don't worry. Now what you can do, alter database, open reset logs, alter database, open reset logs, alter database, open reset logs. Statement processed means it is completed successfully. Now you can check the database status. PSFNA pipe grep on. After that, dat space var inv or still database name, and we can connect to the database simply as previously. SQL plus sys sysdba. Now select name comma open underscore mode database underscore role from VDAL database. Yes, rewrite show parameter control, show parameter uh, control file, and then select name from VDAL data file. Previously we verified, but it shows the 0, right? CD, enter ls-lrth. Now it is successfully restored all the database files regarding to the database. After dropping the database, we have already checked all the files are in ORCL empty, but now it is showing clearly recovered. So this is how to restore and recover the database with help of existing database backup. This completes the simple backup and simple recovery method for the RMAN with help of the existing backups.